Hi all, Todd here, and just wanted to go over some things. I know some people have asked the cameras I use for my vlogs, and I just want to kind of do a quick cover on that. So the go-to product for me had always been the DJI Osmo Action camera, and also the Pocket cameras as well. So this is the Pocket 2. I love it. I've had it for a couple of years now, and every now and then I will use it, and I probably need to start using it more often, but I do use the DJI Osmo Action 4, which the great thing about that camera is awesome in low light. It's got a built-in gimbal. You know, it's very steady, as you can see in a lot of my videos, no rocking and weaving. Same for this camera. This is amazing. It's got a lot of awesome features like follow, stuff like that, and it's great in low light as well. But the Pocket 3 has come out in the last year, and a lot of people, a lot of my friends, vloggers, are going to that camera. But I'm going to wait till this one kind of dies. So I don't think it's going to die anytime soon. The great thing about the 3 is that it has a bigger, it's a little bit bigger than this one. It has a bigger viewing aspect as well. This is so small. Get kind of used to it. And I love the features on it. It's a fantastic camera. So if you're in the market, yeah, the Pocket 2 is still out there. You can still purchase it. And I think the regular Pocket, the original one, is still out there. But I do highly recommend the Pocket 2 if you want to save some money, because the Pocket 3 now is out, and it has amazing abilities, things like that for what you can do. So I'll show you my little kit that I have. So for traveling, I do highly recommend to get this case when you're traveling with your Osmo Action camera, or Pocket camera. And this is a really good case. I think this one might be a little bit too small for the Pocket 3 that's out now. But they do have they have the Pocket 3 version as well for this case. These are really nice to have too. This is actually a mini tripod, like a handle carrier, which is also a battery. So you hook this up to this and not worry about changing your batteries out. This is the content creator version, so it comes with the microphone, and comes with the different attachments, like for this as well, and that's for the bottom. But a lot of times I'll hook this to this, and you can be in the park all day, not worry about ever changing your battery out. And so make sure though you check, charge this up, get the built-in battery, and then hook this up, and you get the cord here you plug in when you need it to charge that, and it's a quick charge as well. And it's got a little for your tripod. You can hook this up at the bottom, the feet. So if you want to do stand alone, walk around, have the camera follow you, you can do that, which is really, I love that feature. I don't use it much, but it's really cool to have, just in case you're walking around at a location and you just want to not have it in your hand and you want to move around and shoot. You can do that with this particular camera. So it's kind of a mess in this case, but this was the original Osmo Action camera right here. So I still use it every now and then, and I've got the external mic hookup, which is this right here. And I also use, this is the light that you can hook up to it in case you're in dark places, you want to get some cool light from locations you're at. And then there's your microphone. It's a two-way mic, front and back, which is cool. I love this. It does a great job. And of course, get your dead rat right here. So the wind buffers, and I have that one too. And then this is a transfer information here that you can hook up, and also extra batteries. But I use that handle I showed you earlier for my Pocket. If I'm using this camera, I'll hook it up to that as well. So, and I'll show you my current setup with the Osmo Action 4, which is a great camera. I love it. And this is the Osmo Action 4, which I love. It's very durable, and has front and back screen for selfies, stuff like that you can have on all the time. And this is the battery handle for this one, which I highly recommend. I'll have a link to the battery handles. But what's great about this camera too, it's also waterproof up to 60 feet, which is really nice. So if you do drop it in water, you're good to go. It's very durable, like I said. There's so many accessories that you can get for this particular camera as well. And I love, there's my reflection right there. But what I love about this too is that you can hook it to a monopod, which I've done. If you ever watch me doing some cool shots from way above, shooting down to like the cars, things like that, I have it on a monopod. I extend the monopod out and kind of change the direction of this, kind of aiming down more. Get some really cool shots, almost like you're on a drone, which it does fantastic on that. So, and it shoots up to 4K. And I just all the stats on this. I'll have a link in the description so you can see all the stats in this particular camera. So I love the DJI products, like the DJI drone as well, the mini drone, which I don't use too much, but you can get some cool shots with that as well. Yeah, this is my go-to camera besides the Pocket 2. And eventually I will get a Pocket 3, but this camera is great. And if you need to, if you're at the park and you need to kind of break it down, just unscrew it, and this will fit right in your pocket. So a lot of times I'll wear the cargo shorts out, so I have extra pockets to shove them in there. You're good to go. And this battery here, I've had this last up to 2 days, this battery. So when I'm filming, no problem at all. So if you're in the park, like if you're at Disney, Universal, or wherever, or at a museum, this right here can last you 2 days. And it charges very fast, but I highly recommend it. So I just thought I'd kind of share some of my DJI products with you. And I just noticed a lot of people going to the 3, which a lot of people are dropping the Canon camera, which I've never used. I've always used either Sony, or I've used this product right here, the DJI. And if you ever see me doing shots from the car, like from the windshield, those are my GoPros. The issue I had with those GoPros, I had the 8 and the 9, is overheating, which that's, yeah, just freezing up, stuff like that, which I've been pretty lucky. I don't have that happen that much. But with these two, these do great. I've never had a lockup. I've never had anything happen to this camera. I've never had it freeze up. I've never lost any filming, storage, stuff like that I've done. As far as I've never lost any of my content on these cameras, and they last for a long time, and they're quick to pop on and off too. In other words, when they power up, that's the one thing I did notice about the GoPros. There is a weird hesitation when you're trying to power them on, but these are really quick. So I mean, I love this camera. It's fantastic. So many different settings, and the nice thing about this too, it does awesome in low light, just like the Pocket 3. It's actually the same camera pretty much as the Pocket 3, but it's in this format. The Action Cam does everything that the Pocket 3 can do. And yeah, and again, it is waterproof up to 60 feet. So yeah, just remember that. And again, it's got tons of different accessories on Amazon that you can get for this particular camera. So yeah, I thought I'd do a quick little thing on these, and because people have asked about what cameras I use, and usually it's my DJIs that I love to go to. All right, guys, you take care. Have a happy 4th of July. Bye-bye.